Yo, what up, boys? Today is day 14 of the grind. Finna eat real quick and stuff. Been working all day, super busy. But we got a big meal before I go to the gym. Let me show you. So we got oatmeal with peanut butter, bananas, and peanut butter. Heavy on the peanut butter. We got a big bowl of spaghetti. I like making my spaghetti spicy, so I'll be putting hot sauce in it. But a big bowl of spaghetti. I made this last night. I got a protein shake. You know what I'm saying? I made a video on TikTok on how I make my protein shakes, but if y'all want me to make one on here as well, let me know. I can make a video on how I make mine. And then we got the Mucho bars. You know what I'm saying? These contain 500 calories, so I'm gonna try to eat 2 of these a day. But I got 2 boxes. That's eats for today. Also, if y'all want some Mucho bars, link down below. Link will be in the description, or I'll put it in the comment section. Click the link. If you want a discount, 5% off, use code FIGHIQ. All right, well, it's time to eat. If y'all saw like the animation trailer on TikTok and stuff before, but I thought it was gonna be trash. The first episode wasn't that bad, but yo, this is a big protein bar. Oh my gosh. Yo, this is a big protein bar. No wonder why it has 500 calories. Oh, yeah, this is good. We're gonna have a good day today at the gym. It's gonna be a rough day. Just know that gym's gonna be a rough day. Ooh. Another day, and I still love an empty gym, man. There's something about it, just being by myself. Today is day 14 of the grind, 10 p.m. Um, and yeah, man, I got a lot to talk about today. I have a lot of things in my mind right now, and I kind of just need someone to talk to, just let everything out. Like I don't know. So we're gonna get to the workout, and got a lot of things I want to talk about today, man. All right, guys, let me know if I'm doing this right. I saw the video. He does this, and then straight up like this, right? Man. Eat. Nine. I wonder if I'm doing the thing right. I looked up best back exercises on TikTok, and I was watching videos. Does mine look like his, guys? Let me know. That's what I'm trying to do. So I go back and then I go forward. All right. So what's up, guys? Um, yeah, bro. I got a lot going on in my mind right now, bro. Basically, bro, like I just don't know what I'm doing right now is good. And I'm not talking about like working out, that's fine. I'm just talking about like life in general. Like everything seems really confusing right now. Like I feel like I'm just doing like I'm trying to figure out so many things. I don't know what I'm doing. Like I just don't know what I'm doing. Like right now, I don't know what I'm doing. Um it's so complicated. Like I guess I'm just confused about everything. Like my goal, I want to become I mean, that's what I do. I stream full time, but I haven't been streaming. I want to make content full time, but I also have like so many side things that I want to do as well. Like I'm in the middle of making a content agency. I'm also like working on brands to make money and stuff. I'm also doing this. Like I don't know. I guess like everything. It's not like overwhelming, but like I don't know what I'm doing in life right now is basically right. Like I don't know the answer. I'm just trying to make the best out of what I'm doing. I know y'all really don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just spewing things out. I'm just confused. I'm 22 years old and I'm just figuring things out, but I don't really know what I'm doing is right. But Today I'm gonna try to work on my back today and stuff. I'm probably gonna do some things wrong. I watched a couple of videos, so if I'm doing things wrong, let me know what I need to fix. But yeah, we're gonna try that today. But yeah, just confused, bro. I'm really just confused. But yeah. Am I doing that right? Let me know. Yeah, guys. I really don't know what I'm doing in my life. Like, I don't know if I'm doing good or if I'm doing bad. I don't know if I'm following the right path. I'm just trying to make the best out of my decisions that I'm making. I'm trying to make the path I'm on the right path. And right now, I'm trying to work with all these brands. I'm trying to start a content agency. I'm also like trying to stream full time again because I haven't been streaming, even though that's like my passion. Making content is my passion. But I've been doing so many other side stuff so I can pay my bills and then make money because I want to make money. I want to be rich. I have so many goals. I want to make money. I want to be rich. I want to travel the world. Cause I never I just want to do so much shit, bro. I don't know if what I'm doing is right or wrong. I don't know if the path I'm on is gonna lead me to success with my goals. I'm just trying to figure things out. Do y'all ever question y'all's own beliefs? Do y'all question whether what you're doing is right or wrong? In this very instance, whatever you're doing, besides watching this video, like before this or after this, do you ever just question how will this affect my life in 5, 10 years? What's gonna come from this? What's the purpose of what I'm doing right now? And you see what I'm saying? That's what I'm thinking right now. How will all my choices that I'm doing as of right now affect me in 5 to 10 years? Where would I be from my day to day from everything I do, just from day to day, will I become? Are my habits gonna make me or break me? What am I doing? 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 Thanks. Oh, oh, fuck. I feel that. Ooh. Just late night pondering, bro. Thanks. Oh man, I'm listening to "I Love You" by Drake late at night pondering. So you know what I mean? Oh, I hope I'm doing this right. It feels like I am. Honestly, bro, I just feel like a failure.